The Pink Lotus show is back at Beyond Gallery and this time with beautiful brands जिसमें collection में आपको क्या-क्या मिलेगा. Let me tell you, they have lovely options in hand painted sarees. Brand is here specially from Bhavnagar. Along with that, they have beautiful options in Banarasi tissue sarees. आपको बहुत सुंदर festive wear चूजो collection मिल जाएगा. Jewelry में भी बहुत different types of varieties हैं. So definitely check them out. Along with that, they have special cotton collection. Perfect for your summer outings and vacations as well. Valet parking is available. All this is happening on the 5th and 6th of February, so don't forget to check that out. And if you want to see the collection in details, why?
Continuing with the brand up, we have cotton frocks, digitally printed frocks. These are corsets in cotton. Mukesh kurta. These are Chanderi kurtas with cotton liner with nice tassels. Yeah, we have saris, tissue saris, Banarasi saris. Yeah, then we have something sober and simple in tissue, in Banarasi, sorry. Yeah. And we have potlis too, potlis Muratla. Pitchway potlis, brocade potlis, antique potlis.
Lovely. So many options that you can carry with these sarees, with these dresses as well. So lovely.
The brand is Ab, and we have such kachi patches kurtas paired with pants. Shibori kurtas, color options are available, sizes are available. Something like this in tie-dye, ombre dresses, something very stylish. In bandhani, something in pitchway and floral yokes. Again shibori, cord sets in shibori, something very Indo-Western, paired with pants. Yeah, these are tops. Something like this. In heavy dress, it's crepe silk. Something in bandhani. Yeah, and something in tissues. We have something very smart in cottons. Yeah, something like this.
Hello, I'm Priya. My brand name is Twinkle Shoes. So here today at Beyond Gallery, I have some new collection Polki.
Okay.
This is designer set in Polki and diamond.
Lovely.
This is again a Polki. This is Moissanite. And this is in silver.
Very pretty.
Diamond pendant set.
Okay.
This is Navratan bracelet and this is Cartier design.
Very
This is
pretty.
Indo-Western necklace. This
Okay.
all are bracelets
Okay.
and bangles.
Lovely.
Look at this.
Beautiful.
These are real quality pieces.
Okay, they have lovely
So
options in
sets.
these also. Look at the set options that they have. I see beautiful options in
फुल
these
वेडिंग
also.
एंटायर पीसेस हैं जो आपको वेडिंग में कुछ भी लेके जाना है
Right. So आपका पूरा wedding
and it
wear.
gives you real
Look at this also.
your cup.
Ear cuffs, yes. Loose bracelets, these watches.
Heritage watches.
Right.
Jada.
These bracelets, look at that. So beautiful jewelry in total again. This is wrinkle jewels.
हाय एम धारा पटेल सुप्रिया बाय शिव. ये सब शिबूरी में मॉडल में साड़ी रहेगी. आप शादी वगैरह में पहन सकते हो, ओकेजनली आप पहन सकते हो. ये कॉइन वर्क में रहेगी. ये मॉडल में है, डायबल रहेगी. ये पूरा हैंड वर्क में रहेगी. खाटली में जो पर्ल वर्क होता है वैसी रहेगी कोई. हाँ, मशीन वर्क में रहेगी. ये साउथ में रहेगी पूरी. आप ओकेजनली कभी भी किसी में भी पहन सकते हो. हाँ, ये शिमर में है. शिमर में सीक्वेंस वाली है. ये सब एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाली रहेगी. ये सब हैंड प्रिंट में है. यस. हाँ, फिगर में कोई रहेगी. आप अपने हिसाब से वेयर कर सकते हो. ये सब पल वगैरह में रहेगी. डिजाइनर साड़ियाँ है. ये सब ब्लाउजेस है. आप अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करवा सकते हो. जो ऑर्डर के हिसाब से रहता है वो ये सब है. ये सब साड़ियाँ है. सब तो अपने हिसाब से पूरा.
આ જે ડિઝાઇન તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો દેટ ઇઝ પ્યોર સુતરલા. સો એની જે ડિઝાઇન છે આખી ફ્લેક્સિબલ ડિઝાઇન છે. લુક એટ ધેટ. Beautiful. It's a statement piece in its own self. You can carry it with numerous looks. Very pretty. Look at that. Earrings check. Yes, this is Anmol Jewels and they are here with their beautiful options. Look at that. These are their masterpieces. Beautiful if you are a bride, if you're a bride to be, if you want something for your festive occasion wear. Also look at these bracelets. These are very pretty, very beautiful options. Along with that, they have these pendant set के भी options available here. Lot of options in statement rings as well. If you like something in statement rings, they have options in that too. Look at that. More options. थोड़ा party wear अगर pendant set options के भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं उनके पास. Look at that. Simply beautiful collection. पूरा lovely. So this is Anmol Jewels once again.
Hi everyone, myself Ami Joshi from Ami's Attire. Today I am showcasing some of my collection. This is pure Banaras Mal Chanderi 3-piece suit. In this I have two colors. This is with pen and very beautiful work in sleeves like this handwork. This is with sharara. This is with palazzo pants, bustier style. This is Farsi pant style. These are some of coat sets. Kurti with pant. Yeah, these two are kaftans. Yeah. In white, something in cotton, pure patchwork, applique work, and in thread work also. This is thread work collection. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Janvi from Cotton States and today we have a collection of kurta pant sets. એમાં color options પણ મળી જશે. Then in A-line and in straight cut as well. Then we have a few in prints as well. Everything here is under 3,000 rupees and mind it, everything is hand woven and hand block printed. These are the A-line dresses. Things with the collars as well and something to tie at the back. Hand woven sikko ikkat kurtas with beautiful colors. Our modal silk kurtas. We have classic tunics to go on everyday wears that go on all of your outfits. We've got mal cotton dupattas, we've got chanderi dupattas,